Hey guys, Edward is here again. I am glad that you're here. If you're new, welcome, and you've been here with us, welcome back. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll not be missing out on every video that we drop in this channel in regards to mining, airdrop, and also a follow up information that we drop in regards to all the projects that have been doing to us on this particular channel, guys. And we'll also drop side that you without making any form of investment, guys. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, guys, and also don't forget to join my community in X and also in Telegram. Links will be dropped in the description of the video, and I'll be pinning them down in the comment section. So guys, in today's video I'll be teaching us a step-by-step guide on how to actually withdraw any of your fund or any of your coins from Telegram wallet to any of your favorite exchange. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. The first thing you're gonna actually do, you locate that particular icon at the top left hand side. Once you actually locate and tap it, it's gonna actually pop up this page. Now once that's pop up, you tap on this wallet icon, right? Now once you tap on this wallet icon, you're gonna actually allow it to loot, right? Now once it has loot, right, as you can see, you're gonna see what you have in your wallet, guys. Now on this turn space, I have USDT there, and also a certain coin that I recently eaten. Now what you're gonna actually do, you locate this particular it's either there are two options. You either tap it and send. Let me try this one so that I will show you what I'm literally saying, guys. Now once you tap it, you allow it to load too. Alright, once the page has actually loaded like this, now you tap on this send icon. Now tap on send icon, right? Now once you tap on this send icon, you still allow the page to equally load, guys. Now once it has loaded up like this, now you tap on external wallet, right? Now you tap on external wallet. Now once you tap on external wallet, then you proceed. But let me still show us the other format, guys. As I said, there are two ways you can actually go about it. You can go directly or indirectly. Now, or rather, you come back here. As you can see previously, I literally touched on this USDT, right? As you can see, 108.5 USDT. So, but if you still come back here, you can literally tap on send directly here. Now once you tap on this send like this, you allow the page to equally load, guys, and you proceed once the page has actually loaded. Now in this particular format, now once it has loaded up like this, you're gonna actually see the coins that you have. I have 0.2 ton coin, I have 108.5 USDT, then I have Warthog over 1.1 million pieces. Now what you're gonna actually do, then you tap and select the coin you're gonna actually pull out. Now I'll be tapping on this particular USDT. Now once I tap it, then you see the same format. Then you tap on external wallet, right? Once you tap on this external wallet, now you're gonna actually input the wallet address here, right? Now let's go and copy. I'm gonna copy wallet address, right, from the centralized exchange. I know the wallet that I feel like sending, so let me go and copy it, guys. Then I'll come back and continue with the video. Alright, guys, I'm back to this particular app now. I'll be tapping on this particular icon USDT because it's actually USDT that I'll be withdrawing. And once you tap on USDT, then I tap on receive, right? This particular icon receive. Now it depends on the exchange you're gonna actually copy. Then you tap on receive. Once you tap on receive, right, what you're gonna actually do, you select network tone. The network should be tone, right? The open network tone. Then you tap it. Now once you tap it, it says you accept. Then this wallet address, guys, that you'll be copying. Then there's also a place that you'll be pasting this USDT tag. Now at times it might be seen as comment, while some tag. So it depends. Anyone you see is still the same thing, guys. Some memo. So it depends. Now I will tap on this copy on this wallet section. Then once I copy it, I'll be going back to go and paste it. Alright, we'll be pasting the address up here, guys. Now as you can see, this said ton address or domain. Though our address is not the one for ton, but the domain that's the network is for ton. Then you paste it, guys. Right, once you've pasted it, then the next thing you're gonna actually do, you tap on continue, right? Now once you tap on continue, still allow it to input the number of USDT you wish to send, guys, right? Alright, I'll be inputting. Right, rather I inputed, then I'll be tapping on next, guys. Right, I'll be tapping on continue, and I'll allow it to load, guys. Alright, once the page loaded up, now what you're gonna actually do, guys, you'll be inputting tag here. As I told you earlier on, either tag, comment, or memo, as you can see, right? Then you'll be pasting it there, guys. If you don't paste it, you might lose your asset. So regardless of how plenty, or rather how much that your particular asset is, you understand, it depends. So if you don't actually input that memo or comment, you're gonna actually lose your asset. So what will happen is I'm gonna actually go and copy, then come and paste it, then we're good to go. So I just copied the tag, or rather the memo, or rather the comment. Now after tapping it, or rather inputting it, then I'll tap on confirm and send, as you can see down below, guys. Then we're good to go. Then you're gonna actually verify your pin. I just verified my thumbprint, then I'll be verifying my pen. Then I guess that should be the last step, guys. Alright, I just inputted it. Let's see what it's gonna actually see, then we move on, guys. Alright, guys, it says your transaction is being processed and will be completed soon, right? So guys, that is just it. That is just it. How to equally send any fund or any of your asset from Telegram wallets to any of your exchange that you wish to actually send, guys. So if you have gotten value from this particular video, don't forget to subscribe, guys, if you have not, and also don't forget to smash the like button so that it will help YouTube algorithm push the video forward for people who are looking for this kind of video, guys. And don't forget to join my community on X and also in Telegram. Links to the community will be dropped in the description of the video, and I'll be pinning them down in the comment section, guys. See you in my next subscribe videos, guys. Peace out.